Hi and welcome to this course on Robot Operating System. You want to develop powerful and scalable robotic applications? You want to learn ROS from scratch and master the core functionalities? But without the usual steep learning curve? Well, you are in the right place. I am Edward, a software engineer and entrepreneur. In the past, I have programmed an entire 6-axis robotic arm with ROS from scratch. When I started using ROS, I had trouble finding well-structured courses and tutorials to show me what's important to do at the beginning, where to start, what to focus on, which path to follow. That's why I created the course that I wish I had when I began, so you can learn ROS much faster than I did. This is a step-by-step course, structured in a way that makes it easy to follow for beginners and directly going to the point through a ton of practice. At the end of the course, you will master the ROS basics and you will be able to create a complete robotic application using all the ROS core concepts. In this course, you will not only see the how, but also the why, which is even more important. You will learn how to install ROS on a Ubuntu operating system, how to create, build and use ROS nodes, topics, services, messages, parameters, launch files, and much more. All those points are key concepts that you need to understand in order to use ROS efficiently. You will also practice a lot thanks to many activities. I will take the time to write the code with you, explain every single step, and give you some challenges to make you progress on key concepts. Oh, and all the code will be written in Python and also in C++. So you can completely learn ROS with those two languages if you want to. All you need is to have some basic knowledge in programming and to know how to deal with a terminal. During this course, I will also give you some of the best practices that I personally learned when developing with ROS. Because what I want is that at the end of the course, you are able to develop not good, but great and scalable robotic applications. So thank you for your time, and if you want to learn ROS and you haven't enrolled yet in this course, then I encourage you to click on that big red button right now and I will be happy to be your instructor.